Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. For those who are new to this channel, for their information, on this channel we do unboxing and review of budget watches. Without further ado, let's focus on today's watch. First, it is the wrist check time, and today I'm wearing my Dwayne Campbell and the homage to Rolex Yachtmaster. Now let's move on to the main topic. I recently purchased a dual time budget watch from AliExpress and I'm very eager to share my thoughts about it. The watch comes in a simple box and let's open it. Upon opening the box, we can see the watch. And then we have an instruction manual which is printed in English as well as in Chinese, and then we have a tag, and then we have a bracelet sizing tool. The watch came in this plastic wrap which I'm going to remove to have a closer look. Well, the brand name is Sanda and the model number is 3196. And here is the first look of the watch. Let's quickly unwrap the watch. I will speed up the video to save some time. And this is the first look of the watch, and to be honest, it looks like a solid build. If I'm not wrong, the design seems to be inspired by the G-Shock G-Steel series. Let me know in the comment section if I'm wrong or right. Now why not start with what this watch has to offer? Well, it has some features which I would like to discuss with you guys. First, it has 12-digit LCD display, as you can see. Then it can show hours, minute, seconds, month, date and day of the week, and also it can chime hourly, and it has a daily alarm feature. It can also show the time in 12 and 24 hours format and has an auto calendar. And apart from that, it has a chronograph function which is also known as stopwatch. Then it has a backlight, which is a very handy feature in dock. Now about the build quality. As per the seller's website, the watch is built to last and can withstand daily wear and tear. The watch case is made of alloy material and has a circular shape with decorative screws. That doesn't seem to be functional. There are 4 buttons, 2 on each side of the case, and then we have a chapter ring. The dial is black and has silver plated indices. There are a total of 3 hands, 2 of them have lume applied. Then we have 4 sub windows. The window at position 11 and 4 seems to be just for decoration. They are just showing digital patterns. The one on the top right shows the day of the week and day along with the month. And then at the bottom, it shows a second time zone. Then we can see a hefty crown on the right hand side with 2 big push buttons on each side of the case. Let's briefly discuss about the push button functions. The top left button for the backlight. On pressing, you can see the green backlight. I must say it's a very convenient feature in the dock. The bottom left button is to get into chronograph mode, and also it can also be used to set the alarm. Then the right bottom button is to reset the chronograph, and the top one is to start and stop the stopwatch. Then we have a stainless steel case back with 4 screws on it and some information engraved on it regarding the brand name, water resistance, model number, etc. And the watch bracelet seems to be made of stainless steel links, but they seem to be hollowed. They are held together by push pins. Then we have a double clasp with 2 push buttons, and the clasp is marked. About the measurement, as per the seller's website, the case diameter is around 56 mm, the lug-to-lug width is around 28.6 mm, and it is integrated. The lug-to-lug length is around 60 mm, and the case thickness is around 18 mm. The watch provides a standard 50-meter water resistance. The crystal seems to be a plastic material. Here, how it looks on a 6.5 inches wrist. Well, to be honest, it's a quite big watch for my tiny wrist. However, if you have a big wrist, then it might look very good on you. That's all for now, and thank you for joining me on this quick unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy watch collecting.